Hi guys, welcome to Making Sawdust. I'm Kevin, but you already knew that. You know what? Somebody sent me some stickers the other day and said, I don't need a sticker plenum. I need a sticker wall. But you know what? Sticker walls are so cliche. Kick. Shopsmith.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Sticker planer.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Sticker miter's offense. Sticker drill press. Thanks for joining me, guys. Just a quick sticker video. Like I says, sticker walls are just kind of cliche, so we got a sticker plenum, sticker planer, sticker shopsmith, sticker drill press, business card, sticker wallet. Make sure, if you want to send me a sticker, at least tell me where you want it stuck. Get out your shop, start making some sawdust. Thanks, guys.